Quality is half the battle on making a video look professional. I mean, no one's gonna watch a video that has bad quality. And if they do, it's a 50-50 chance that they will keep watching. And I mean, those aren't really good odds. So here are 2 ways I get good quality videos. So, the first way I get good quality videos is if you load your video into CapCut, there are a few effects that you can add to get a more sharp and clear look. Now, just as a side note, it doesn't matter how good quality your video is. If you load in to at least CapCut, I have learned, it will drop down the quality just for the editing, and you'll just need to export it in 4K or 2K or whatever you have that video at. So if you load in a clip and you're like, why did the quality drop? Don't worry, it's just CapCut thing. So if you look right here, here's my video, and the first effect, which is in effects, you can use is called sharpen edges. And it's an effect, and you can apply it to your video. Now you may need to adjust the sharpness and maybe the blur or size or range or filter a bit just to customize it to your video, because sometimes the sharpen edges kind of looks weird on some videos but then looks great on some other videos, so you may just need to adjust it for your video. Now the other way that you can do this is you can go to filters, and this is for the pro version. So if you have pro, you can use the 4K and 8K in filters, and the sharpen edge is more if you are not pro, you can use that kind of trick. But if you're pro, you can use this 4K or even 8K, and you might also need to adjust the intensity of the effect or filter. I'm sorry, I can't think. My brain isn't braining today. And it looks really honestly good. Honestly, I love this 4K filter. I'll just throw it on to any of my videos and it just makes them look great. So those are the 2 effects that I use in CapCut to get a more sharp, clear, more quality look. But there's only so much you can do to a video. There's only so many effects you can add to a video. So here is how I start out with getting 4K clips. So one way you can do this is you can go to YouTube. Going to YouTube, and you can search your character's name followed by 4K clips. So in my case, it's going to be Spider-Man 4K clips. So you can just look that up, and there should be a bunch of just 4K clips that people have. And I mean, this guy, you can tap in and it's just a bunch of Spider-Man 4K clips, or a bunch of other different things, and then you can just screen record that, then load those clips into CapCut, and boom, you have 4K quality. Also, make sure whenever you are exporting to export it in a higher, in 4K or 2K, to get a really good sharp 4K look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if this was helpful, make sure to go press that like and subscribe button to get notified whenever I come out with new content. And if you have any questions, just feel free to put them down in the chat, and I would be happy to help you. I hope you all have a wonderful day and stay creative.